Hi, Daft Scots Lass here, and I'm busy checking out other ways to make videos. Doing my editing through Pinnacle at the moment, and I just thought I'd try a wee bit, some new transitions and new effects and stuff. I'm not going to get too fancy because this way of recording seems to be a lot slower, therefore the quality is not so great. So I'm just going to do a quick test, and if it's okay, I'll publish it. If not, then I'll just can it, obviously. So I'm going to talk about a couple of things that has been happening with me lately. When I went to go and visit my mum and dad down at the coast recently, just before Christmas, my dad introduced me to Ben Elton. Now, Ben Elton is a British comedian, and he's also an author, and he's wrote some pretty fucking funny books. This is the first one that I'm reading. It's called Dead Famous, and it's about it's like a Big Brother scenario where there's a few people. It's like a reality TV Big Brother scenario, and somebody gets murdered. And I'm halfway through the book. I still don't know who gets murdered or who's the victim, and I still don't know who did it. But it's a great book. It's hilarious. It's a funny read, and if you ever want to read something cool and funny and new, then that's the guy to do it. And then today I went shopping with my girls, tried to get out the house a little bit, and I bought the most awesome handbag. So let me show it to you. So this is the front. Blue and grey and silver stripes, and it's bright fuchsia pink in the back, and I'm really loving it. So let's see if this video works out. It's going to be short and sweet today. I'm not too sure whether the quality is going to be that great, but I'll post it anyway. Right, so leave a comment in the section below and let me know what you think about the new video, whether you like the music, whether you don't like the music, the transitions, the look and feel of the whole thing. I want your feedback. Otherwise I must just stick to the normal YouTube upload videos. Let me know. Bye.
You stick around. You figure it out.